What's good, Ninja Affiliates? Welcome to this video series on affiliate marketing. And the purpose of this video series is there's a question at hand, and that is, am I the only one where everything around me, living expense, is going up, and the only thing that's not going up is my income? Well, that's why I set out to find a solution to this inflation and living costs is so high, but my paycheck is still, laying dormant at that level. So what I found out is that we are not able to change the inflation of what's happening, but what I can do is I can raise my income level to suit my living condition. So I have found a solution to be able to, uh, you know, f- I found a solution to where I can sell digital product as an affiliate marketer, and that is what this video series is about. So by the end of this video series, you will understand the three steps that I've simplified it down to, and that is finding a product to promote and creating a automated marketing system around that product to where I only set it up once and it does all the working for me 24/7 nonstop. And then the third is getting traffic who are people interested in the product that I'm promoting and how to get it in front of them. All right. So if there's something that are interested in, let's go ahead and dive in into step number one. All right. All right. So I'm over here on my virtual whiteboard, and step number one is finding a product to promote. Now, when looking for a product to promote, I want to look for a digital product. Why a digital product? Because I don't want to have to invest time into setting up and stacking inventory or have to go and do any shipping and handling. I don't want none of that. So a digital product, they see it, they like it, they buy it, they download their product, I earn my commission. Right? Sounds fair and simple. All right. So when looking for a digital product, the first thing what I'm looking for is making sure that it solves a problem that exists in the marketplace. Because if no one is looking for it, then I'm not going to make any sale. So look for a product that solves a problem that people buy. And as an affiliate marketer, my duty is to get that solution, a product in front of them, and they'll buy it, and I earn my commission. And then the next thing that I want to look for is making sure that it has a good comp plan, and that is the time and energy that I spend into creating, looking for this product, setting it up. That I want to make sure that at the end of the day, when I get a commission, that is worth my time and energy. Fair enough? Okay. And then after that, I want to do the math, as in figuring out how much money I want to make for the month and how much sale I have to make off that product to hit that income goal. So let's go ahead and plug those numbers in and see what we're working with. Let's say that my income goal is 5,000 a month and my commission is 900. So what I want to do is figuring out how much sale of that $900 product I need to generate to hit that $5,000 income goal. So that number, that equation is income goal divided by commission. When we plug those numbers in, is 5,000 divided by 900, and that gives me 6 sales. All I need to focus on is 6 sales of that $900 product, and that will hit I'll be able to hit my $5,000 income goal, right? So that's basically step one, is finding a digital product to promote and making sure it has a good comp plan, and then doing the math, see how much money I want to make per month, how much my commission is, and then I'll know how much sale that I need to make. So in video number two, which is the next step, automating the marketing system, I'm going to walk you through on this one platform that I'm using, the free version of it, to build out the marketing system, which consists of 3 pages: the landing page, the sales page, and the thank you page. And I'm going to share with you what it looked like, how it works, and then in the last video is how to get traffic that are people who are interested in this digital product, and send them through the marketing system that will be doing all the promoting and selling for me 24/7, promoting that product. All right, so let's go ahead and jump on over to video number 2, setting up the automated marketing system. All right, I look forward to walking you through the system on the next video. All right, see you then.